Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you how to make a super delicious and quite healthy wrap. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 1 tortilla wrap, 1 small avocado which I've sliced up into thin slices, a little bit of red onion, some grated carrot, a little bit of tomatoes. You can use 1 tomato or just a couple of cherry tomatoes, some lettuce, of course the chicken. It can come in any form you like. We're going to use some chicken sausage or chicken fillet. I don't know how you call this in English. You can also just take 1 chicken breast and cook it and then shred it to pieces or cut it up. And finally I'm going to use some pepper and salt for the seasoning. You can also use mayonnaise as a base, but I'm not going to use that because it's a bit healthier this way and you also have avocado to like fill the gooey need of a sauce. Let's do this. So, as you know, there's not that much to a wrap. Basically, you take your tortilla and pop it into a microwave for about 30 seconds. So it's nice, warm, and a bit foldable. And now I'm going to put all of my ingredients onto the wrap. First, I'm going to start off with the avocado. Place it nice in the center. It really depends on how much avocado you want. If you like it, you can put on more. Then a little bit of the onion. Then some slices of chicken, some tomatoes, carrots, and finally some lettuce. There we go. And now it's time to fold the wrap. It's basically the same principle as a burrito. You fold the sides as much as you can, then fold it over, push everything into the burrito, pull everything back, and then just roll it over. Tuck in the sides if needed, and there you go. You have yourself a nice wrap. Tuck. All there is left now is to cut it. And there you go. You have yourselves a nice and healthy wrap. It just occurred to me, I didn't season it at all, so make sure to season it. But I think this will be okay because the chicken sausage on itself is quite spicy, so we'll see. Test will tell.
Time for a test. I really like this. I had a time that I ate lots and lots of different kind of wraps and I kind of got sick of it, but the ones with chicken and avocado they're always good and I always enjoy them, and I really enjoyed this one as well. I like the fact that there is some carrot in it because usually there isn't a lot of carrot in it, and it makes it nice and crunchy. So yeah, very delicious. So you kind of taste the fact that there isn't any salt or pepper in it, no seasoning, but it doesn't really bother me that much because it tastes healthy and you taste your greens, so I don't really mind. So if you guys enjoyed this episode, feel free to give us a thumbs up, or if you like what we do in general, feel free to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!